Hello guys, recent NIO deliveries improved slightly, yet empty showrooms, even at Tesla, persisted. Zeekr surpassed, delivering 900 more cars, intensifying the competition. So friends, last week NIO delivered only 1,900 cars, just a slight improvement from the 1,700 a week before. And if you go and check, the showroom is quite empty. It's really unfortunate. And this is the situation for all different stores there. Tesla store is also very empty. Xpeng store and BYD store are also completely empty. So it's not just NIO that is empty. Even though Tesla has cut prices, NIO has also cut prices. But it is said that NIO price cuts were only for inventory cars, so it's not actually a price cut. And what's really interesting, remember when the car report claimed that NIO sold 1,700 cars in 2 hours? It all seems like nonsense and lies. Take a good look at Tesla store. It's completely empty. Completely empty. NIO store. There are some employees here. You can find a sales representative. You know, it's a bit slow. It's slowing down as Chinese New Year approaches. I hope that after Chinese New Year in March, sales will recover when they launch the A295 version of the car. But for now, don't expect very good deliveries this month. It seems that we might only get less than 10,000 deliveries, which is quite challenging. And then you have more ES6 and ET7 test drive cars available. There are numerous cars inside. Cool. Zeekr has delivered 2,800 cars in the past week, while NIO has delivered only 1,900. So, Zeekr has delivered 900 more cars than NIO. And as of January 21st, Zeekr has delivered 7,500 cars, which is 900 more than NIO 6,600. Therefore, Zeekr is currently delivering more cars than NIO. Many people are calling Zeekr a copycat of NIO, which is quite interesting. Why is this happening? It is evident that the Zeekr 007 is a very affordable car, in the range of 200,000 RMB, showing the significant impact of an affordable car. NIO sub-brand, Zeekr, is making waves in the delivery numbers. Now this brings us to an intriguing question. Is Zeekr overtaking NIO? Zeekr 007 is selling rapidly, and it is uniquely capturing a bit of NIO market share, which NIO had promised with its savings and the commitment to delivering numerous cars. Why is all this happening? Let's take a look at the pricing. Alright, first of all, I would like to say that I always preferred NIO over Zeekr, mainly because of the battery swap. However, the base price for the NIO ET5 with a 75 kWh battery pack is 298,000 RMB, and this is just the basic version. There are no other options. Okay, but for an extra 1,900 RMB, you can get the fully spec'd out 4-wheel drive Zeekr 007, which reaches 0 to 102.84 seconds, while the NIO ET5 takes 4 seconds, and its price is 299,900 RMB, including everything with no other options, and you can see that everything is practically selected by default. At this price, everything is maxed out, except for the handle-less electronic door option. Now, if you don't want the maxed out version, you can get the very basic rear-wheel drive base version, which starts at a very affordable price of 209,900 RMB. Another significant factor is that the price for a battery upgrade for NIO is considerably higher compared to Zeekr. For NIO, the cost of upgrading to a 100 kWh battery pack is 58,000 RMB, while for Zeekr, it's only 30,000 RMB. But with this discount, it's now only 20,000 RMB. The third and final factor is that the Zeekr 007 is being delivered with the Snapdragon, a 295 chip, while NIO is still delivering with the 8155 chip. So, Zeekr is cheaper, but the chip is better, which doesn't make sense. Yes, NIO is coming with a chip upgrade in March for all vehicles, but this shows how intense the competition is in the electric vehicle market. Companies are launching cars that are cheaper than other cars and have better specs. This is quite dangerous overall. And on paper, based on specs, the Zeekr 007 seems to be ahead of NIO in numbers. For some customers who may not understand battery swap technology or may need some convincing, opting for the ET5 over the Zeekr 007 could be a challenging decision if they have decided to fully embrace electric vehicles. This implies that Zeekr 007 is actually taking away a significant number of sales from NIO ET5. However, it also becomes clear that during this period, what we need the most is a sub-brand car at a competitive price. Exactly like that. The Zeekr 007 is priced between $200K and $300K, and it should have specs that can be competitive and capture the entire market. And as you can see, Zeekr 007 has already dominated the entire market with this car. Imagine NIO introducing a car with similar specs, but with better battery swap capabilities. How strange is that? Imagine a Zeekr 007 that can perform better swaps. It will be a NIO car, and it will outperform this car in every aspect, because NIO has invested a lot of time and effort in its sub-brand, ensuring that this sub-brand is leading the race for the best-selling car and is gaining even more strength. So yes, for now, the ET5 is losing to Zeekr 007. But don't make a mistake. A sub-brand car will come, and that car will turn the tables and outperform everyone's expectations. And that will be NIO sub-brand car, the one that will outsell the most and deliver thousands of vehicles. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.